Alright guys, today I'm going to be listening to AJ Railfan, Streamliner's video. So yeah, let's get with this. Hope you guys can hear the music.
Long ago there was a day when it looked like the rails would die away. Other machines would go farther and faster, and the steamer trains were headed for disaster. But men with steel in their veins vowed to save the railway trains. They worked day and night, and when they were done, a new era had just begun. People stared in awe and wonder. They were fast and sleek and full of thunder. They followed the path of smoke and fire. They were called.
Hey guys. Right. That's pretty good.
When it looked like the rails would not survive, like a phoenix rising, they came alive. Headed down that railway line was an engine made for a future time. The Hudson, Daylight, Burlington Zephyr, standing proud and better than ever.
Hold on guys. Be right back. I'm back.
Flying by like the westward wind, a new railroad was ushered in. People stared in awe and wonder. They were fast and sleek and full of thunder. They followed the path of smoke and fire. They were called streamliners.
Hope you guys have watched this before. I hope you guys have watched AJ Railfan in this video. It's not done. iPad's at 15.
Long ago there was a day when it looked like the rails would die away. Other machines would go farther and faster, and steamer trains were heading for disaster.
Wait, let's replay that.
Other machines would go farther and faster, and the steamer trains were headed for disaster. Men with steel in their veins.
What was that? The train just slid off into an ice rink or into the lava.
Long ago there
Let's
was
watch
a
that
day
again.
when it looked like the rails would die away. Other machines would go farther and faster, and the
Steamer
steamer trains
trains
were
were
headed for disaster. But men with steel
Oh, that's so funny.
vowed to save the railway trains. They worked day and night, and when they were done, a new era had just begun.
Did you pull out the Hiawatha there? The Hiawatha steam locomotive, the F6.
And full of thunder, they followed the path of smoke and
Oh, Mellard. Oh, daylight. There's daylight. Southern Pacific daylight. Right. Guess that's 6:11. Yeah, that's 6:11. I knew that was Duchess of Hamilton. I saw it. Don't say I didn't. Oh, Mellard again. There he goes. I think the rest of this is just music. Whoa! How did Duchess of Hamilton make that turn at that kind of speed? Oh, whoa! That's fast. Oh, here it comes to an end. Bop. Boop, beep. Bloopers. Rather see the bloopers. The crazy hand
cars. You can put a train onto a vanilla Minecraft track, but if it hits a slope or a curve, it's just.
Oh, it's not exactly the best thing in the world, is it?
This is so broken.
What happens when you ride on? It's doing backflips.
When the pig flies.
So we figured out how to make a train with pigs. I have to take a lead onto this saddle pig, and so each of us are leading the pig that's behind us. All right, now you fly.
Lift off!
Titanic big boy.
Next time.
It's a big one.
That's bad.
It's the Titanic train.
The Titanic train.
We're going
Yeah.
to this here on the server.
For all eternity.
Yes.
Well, guys, that's the end of this video. Bye!